morning, sports fans. Today, the two cooks are in Edmonds, Washington, visiting my mother. And one of the things that has brought her joy in her life is chocolate mousse. So we brought everything we need to make chocolate mousse. I have here 4 egg whites. Right.
Those aren't egg whites.
4 egg yolks, to which I've added 2 whole eggs. And then we have the 4 egg whites, to which we've added nothing. And we have created a double boiler here by putting this metal bowl over boiling water. And we are going to pour in our chocolate chips.
They're semi-sweet.
And let them melt. These are semi-sweet. The recipe calls for 12 ounces, but you know, that was back in the old days when they used to put 12 ounces in a bag. Now it's 11 and a half ounces, and it's just gonna have to do. So we just kind of chill out here and let our chips melt. And in the meantime, we'll take our egg yolks with the 2 whole eggs and our mixer.
Check out that Corning bowl.
Also imported from California. And we're gonna whoop this up. And the whole idea with this is everything we do, we're trying to get some air into all these ingredients so you get a nice fluffy mousse. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's going to be a nice, light, fluffy thing. And since I only have 1 set of beaters, I'm going to have to clean these and dry them before I can use them again. So we'll come back
when you're done making a mess.
Yeah. It's someone else's house, so it's okay to make a mess. Okay, so our chips are just starting to melt here a little bit. We'll stir them around and keep this melting thing going. Yeah, it's delightfully gooey. So now with our egg whites, we are going to use our clean, dry beaters to puff up our egg whites. We want these to be stiff. And that's not going to happen if you have dirty or wet beaters. So that's, I guess, a basic rule of thumb. If you want it to be stiff, don't use dirty or wet beaters. See what we got. Nah. Close.
It takes very long.
No. Thank goodness for surface tension. This rubber is still over there, not quite. Okay.
Is it stiff? I might have to fold the
Yeah,
outsides
it's pretty
in a little.
Stiff. But check our chimps. They're looking pretty good. Look at that, nice and smooth.
Yeah, you need something to scrape that off, like maybe a knife or. Oh, I don't know where anything is.
How about a scraper offer?
There you go.
Yeah, it's always fun cooking in a strange kitchen. Although not that my mother's kitchen is strange, but
It's different to us.
okay. So,
Are you turning that off now? Or?
I think, well, there's still a little bit here that's not melted. Yeah, let's turn it off.
Yeah, it will. The water's
It will
hot.
melt.
So it looks pretty good.
And I just don't want to, you know, I'm afraid of putting the egg yolks into something that's hot.
Yeah, so we could take that off the heat now. And it'll take a little bit of time. It'll be okay. Yeah, you don't want to put that. In fact,
Oh,
you
no, I
probably
can
want
rinse
to.
that.
You probably want to do the opposite. Mix the whites, the chocolate into the whites, or the whites into the chocolate.
Well, it's yolks actually that are small.
Oh, the yolks. Okay, that's the one where you want to put a little bit in your eggs first.
Oh yeah, this is all stiff. Look
Yeah.
at that. It's foam.
Looks good.
And then, because I need these beaters again for whipped cream, and they would have to be what? Clean and dry.
And cold sometimes too.
Well, yeah, cold doesn't hurt. So, we will make them clean, and we'll make them dry. And then, I think we're going to be ready to put our yolks and our chocolate together. It does say to go in this direction.
Yeah, just a smidge.
So,
Oh, yeah. Put a little bit in the eggs first. Just carefully whisk. Just stir it as you do it. I gotta get where I can see you. Hold on. So I can't really see what's going on. There. Yeah, the trick is you don't want to put really hot stuff in eggs too quickly because then it'll cook the eggs and then you end up with a bunch of lumps.
scrambled eggs,
Yes.
which is not desirable for a mousse. I'm starting to think I should have the whisk. It's right behind you.
Different than our kitchen.
Yeah. Our usual film studio.
Yeah.
Okay, we're getting a nice chocolate custard going here. All right, now.
You need like 5 hands, huh?
Mm-hmm. That would help. I don't know what kind of shirts that would make, but.
Oh. Good one.
All right, so here we go. We're getting the rest of our chocolate in here. We need to get it in before it cools off too much and becomes non-liquid again. I think we're going with that.
Oh, look that. Chocolate chips are good.
Okay, so now,
I'm gonna move to the other side again.
as you can see, we have this beautiful mass of thick chocolatey stuff. And the next step is to fold in our...
You're gonna need a bigger bowl.
Actually, the next step is to add vanilla. So let's do that. We need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then, yes, we're gonna have to go to a
Gonna need a much bigger bowl.
bigger bowl here, which fortunately we have. Okay, 2 teaspoons vanilla. And we'll take a little break and be right back. Okay. So I've got transferred this egg and chocolate mixture to a larger vessel. And the next thing we're going to do is fold in our stiff egg whites. Just a little at a time. Oh, wait. Too late. No, that doesn't matter, but what we need to do is keep the air and get the chocolate mixed through all of this. And this is part of where the lightness of a fine mousse comes from. The last thing we have to do is take 3/4 of a cup of whipping cream and beat this until it's stiff. And I have my clean and dry beaters that I chilled in the fridge. I also chilled the bowl in the fridge. That helps a little bit with whipped cream. So here we go.
We'll come back.
Okay, so our whipped cream is whipped very, very stiff. So now we just fold that into our lovely chocolate mess. We're gonna chill this for at least an hour. Sorry, Mom, you can't have any until then. And by that time, there'll be plenty of other sweets here, I'm sure. So we are folding this in, keeping the air, and then when we chill this, we should have a light and fluffy but deeply chocolatey mousse.
It looks very chocolatey.
That's the goal here, and we want it to be smooth, no lumps. I can see, this version of this definitely smooth, no lumps, but I could see maybe putting in some chopped nuts or something into it, with something like this, but not in this one.
No, it's good by itself. And it's nice, which we don't have, if you have like a couple of raspberries for a garnish.
Yeah.
Raspberries, maybe a little top of some mint, which I kind of thought about bringing and then I forgot. It'll be fine.
Well, we're in the big city. I'm sure they have raspberries all year round.
Yeah. Probably. Or blueberries, maybe.
So I really want this all to be homogeneous here. I don't want
Incorporated.
streaks of cream and chunks of chocolate. Sounds like it'd be good though.
I know, right?
I don't think, at this point, I don't think you can go wrong. It's got all the right things in there.
Chocolate and cream.
Chocolate and fat.
It's just missing bacon. Right? Just missing
Well, bacon would work in here too.
Yeah, that'd be really good.
What did I saw a post this morning. When you have extra or leftover bacon, you put it in your chocolate chip cookies.
Oh yeah, we've had that before.
And someone said, what is leftover bacon?
Oh, that's true. We need to make chocolate covered bacon again too.
Oh, that was good. Okay, I'm
Looking good?
getting close here. I think, I don't know. I think I might want to put this in another bowl to chill it.
Yeah, I think
So-
you should, so it looks pretty. Actually,
Yeah, because it's going to
even
be
this one,
hard to get
if
it to
we
look
washed it up.
pretty in here.
Here, let's stop for the moment.
So into the fridge we go with our concoction, and we'll hope for the best. All right, so surprisingly enough, this really worked. You can see a little bit of a, I don't know if you can see that, but
Oh, you didn't
I
mix
didn't
it
get
quite
it
right.
mixed quite all the way, which is terrible because then you get whipped cream in your bite. But it's really good. I've decided that no one else is going to like it, so I'm
It's a
just
large portion.
sitting here with my bowl, and it's perfect. So thanks for watching Two Cooks in the Kitchen, and we'll see you back in California.